Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add two images in Photoshop. Okay. First, you go to File, New, and add your image size. I see this default size. Use. Okay. Go to File, Open, and open your image. Hold Control. Okay. You added this image here, or hold Control T, or you add it here. Okay. Hold Control Alt space, resize the image. Okay. Again resize. And hold Control. Added two images. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.